Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So a few weeks back, maybe three weeks. No, I'll say 6 weeks. Yeah, 6 weeks. This feeder right here broke. Well, it didn't really break. I put protein pellets in it mixed with corn, and then it rained. So what happens when the moisture kicks in and water is gonna get in it regardless? It turned into like a gummy type of substance, and then it dried and it created this big clumps of protein mixed with corn, and it blocked my my feeder. It blocked the motor. So I decided to put the corn on the ground, and that worked really well. I had a lot of deer coming through, so I decided to continue to do that. But now I have to change my strategy because the hogs are back, and they are back in big numbers. Yesterday, and I'll show you here, you see this area right here, this entire area, I put a whole bag of corn, apple flavor. Yeah, it was yesterday afternoon, and it's gone. And looking at my camera feed, there was a family of maybe 30 hogs with babies. There's 2 pregnant females, and so that just tells me there's going to be a lot of hogs. Now the hogs disappear for a while because my neighbor on the property next door, he likes to trap the hogs, and they were gone until yesterday. So now I'm going to have to put the feeder back. I fixed it, and I'm going to have to set up timers as before and ration the corn. The hogs don't come out during the day, they come out at night, but the deer come out between 7 and 9. So now I just got to start that rotation again, that cycle, letting the deer know when the feeder goes off that there's corn on the ground. It's kind of like an alarm, so I have to retrain the deer. Today is the last day of antlerless deer or doe deer, so I'm going to hunt on the southeastern side of the property. I have another feeder down there, and I was able to take another deer in that location, but I'm still going to continue to chase or try to get those bucks. It doesn't have to be a trophy. It could be a spike. Again, I'm going for meat at this point. If a trophy comes by, I'll take it, but that's not the main purpose of hunting in this land. We just want the meat. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the feeder up, and I'll show you how to do it by yourself. All right, so this is a cheap Walmart, Amazon, wild game feeder, 99 bucks plus shipping. It works the same way as other feeders. I have a more expensive feeder on the other side, and I've had better luck with this cheap feeder. So I'm gonna continue to use it until it just completely dies. But if you're thinking about getting a feeder, this is a great option. It's really cheap. There's other variations of this feeder, but I went with the cheaper option. So it's really easy to set up by yourself. I do recommend do not put any corn inside the feeder before you raise the feeder. Okay, so usually this feeder comes with 4 sections. I think these are 2 feet, but depending on how tall you are, you can use all sections. I'm gonna use 3. I think that works best for me and for the land as well. So I'll show you how to do this. You got this brackets right here. All you have to do is put these sections together, right? And go ahead and insert the leg in the bracket. Everything's in there. do one, you turn it, the other one in, and turn it again. The bracket fell off over here. Bracket in. Okay. So now that you have the legs in, it's time to raise it. So I'm going to place this feeder directly in front of my deer blind, just to make sure I get main concentration of deer in front of me, or hogs. I think I'm going to be hunting hogs from now on, but I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me see if I can do it. My deer blind is up there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's where it is, in that direction. So let's go ahead and raise it up. What I do is grab this leg, because these two are going to have they use the ground as an anchor. So I try to hold it this, and that's it. Now I want to maybe move it to the left or right, maybe, just to align it with my deer blind. So I'm going to put my arm right here, try to hold it, or maybe I'll go this direction, try to lift up. Oh, just gotta be careful. And that's a little better. I think that'll do it. So it looks like it's good in relation to my deer blind. Now I think I'm going to go ahead and set up the timer, but first, and I'll bring the camera closer. We want to do a test. So, and these deer feeders are really simple to use. So what I did, I installed a solar panel. This is a rechargeable battery. I didn't want to continue to buy batteries, so I spent the $15 on a solar panel. It works really well. So we're gonna test it, make sure it works. Here's a test button. You see the time is wrong, but we'll adjust that. So this is a 10-second test. Let's see if it works. All right. So there you go. It works real well. And now what we got to do is put some deer corn in the feeder, and hopefully some deer will come tomorrow or the next day or every day. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Again, I'm not an expert hunter. I learn from videos and anybody that will give me a suggestion. I'm willing to try everything, a lot of things. So let me know what you think. Thank you.